Yes, I got another idea just by keeping my eyes open around the house. I am going to use these spoons to make an alphabet. Do you have any disposable spoons at home? Join me. Well, there you have it. An alphabet made of spoons. Okay, it's your 4th day practicing the sound ture at the end of words. Today, I am going to give you a super long one, but I think you can handle it. The word is adventure. What's the first sound that you hear when I say adventure? Yes, way at the top, the first one. Ah. Okay. What about number 2? Adventure. Are you looking at it? Adventure. Yep, one of the last letters of the alphabet. Okay. Adventure. Back to the vowels. Adventure. Which one do you hear next? Smack in the middle. Adventure. All we're missing is the challenging part. So before I even grab the letter that's next, would you be able to say all 4 of them without my help? Let me hear you. Good. T U R E. Chur. Let's sound it out. A D V E N. Chur. Now let's split it by syllables. Say it with me. Add, then, chur. T-U-R-E. And that, my friends, is how you spell chur at the end of a word. Thanks for watching.